Hey, this is Rachel from the Life Facilitator, and I am sharing a memory plan with me today. I had only 3 photos from this week, and I decided to run with a unpocket page layout inspired by Andrea from Retro Hip Mama. And I am using the grid paper from Coco Daisy as my background, and it will just sort of slide into my memory planner, no problem, because yeah, it's sized to fit. So yeah, or I guess I had 4 photos. So I had only 4 photos from the week. And I love the idea of when you only have a few photos to really make them big and utilize pocket cards and sort of other things to make your spread really pop. I am using the Coco Daisy Paperie collection. This is a February sort of Valentine's-ish collection, but I absolutely loved using this collection for a spread at the end of August and early September. You can see the colors of this collection are just really versatile. Like they could be used at any time, and they just really perfectly matched this week of photos that honestly, like on their own, like do not go together. But this collection actually really helped bring them together. So I have my photos down, have my cards down, and I'm going to repeat an element using these alpha black puffy alpha stickers of labeling a few of the photos. So hot tub, airport, football, and using labels from the kit as sort of the foundation for those stickers. Next, I am going to add a rub-on to the Hello Weekend card. I love this black ink splotch. Raise your hand if you could easily use like a full page of just like ink splotches. I absolutely could, because I am too scared to actually, ink splotch on a page. So I love having rub-ons that have that element. I also love these stickers. These are from the Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit. They are like little ripped pieces of different colored paper, and another thing that I feel like I could have had a whole bunch of them, because I'm sad that I'm almost running out of them. I feel like it's one of those things I could probably recreate, but like they're just really perfect. So I'm going to make a little cluster on this card and have journaling for both of the photos on this one card, and I really like how that turned out. And I will eventually add something to the corner, but I'm going to move on back over to the right page. Also, I decided at the last minute to switch the pocket cards, the journal cards. So the Spicy Disaster one will be next to my cat, which is what I meant for it to be originally anyway, but whatever. I am struggling to figure out what to do with this journal card. I knew I wanted to journal, so I was going to try what I did on the other page, which is add these little journal spot stickers on the journal card, and I hate it. Like immediately hate it. Does that ever happen to you? And so I'm thinking about what I can do to like make it all come together. It won't. In the meantime, I will add this wonderful washi that came. Which kit did this one come in? I think this maybe came in the Traveler's Notebook Memory Keeping Kit as well. I can always use a black and white washi, and I absolutely love it with this page. So I'm just not sure what to do with that pocket card, and I'm trying to like see if there's a way to salvage it, and there's just not. Distracting myself with enamel hearts. Got to add a few of these around the page. And And eventually, what I will end up doing is pulling up those stickers on that journal card because they just, they were really bothering me. Yeah, you see, I'm trying everything. I'm like, okay, and here. So, what I will do is I will add one of the journal stickers to the photo. Also, immediately regret that, but can't pull it up. So, that's there. That's permanent. And this is where I did finally move the cards and realize I just needed that open spot for actual journaling. And I will journal about our trip home from Iowa. And that goner, it's dead. Dead to trash. Dead to the trash. I'll try to think of some other things, but eventually I will just journal about that photo next to it, and that wraps up this spread. Before I show final photos, I'm showing the binder this is in. This is a Studio Calico binder. It's very old. There are other options, and a 6x8 binder would work great too. So I am going to clip, for now, just clip this page in between where it was meant to go. But eventually I will actually just adhere the graph paper onto the planner pages. And that's it. I will have here's a quick look at all the pages in and what it looks like in the binder. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!